Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Concepts. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss binary arithmetics. In the binary arithmetic, we are having different four operations, that is binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. We have discussed the binary addition, binary multiplication and binary division in the other videos. I will be definitely putting the link in the description box, and today we are going to discuss the binary subtraction. So before going to the subtraction, we have to understand some of the basic rules of the subtraction. So let's start with the rules. Suppose we are going to add two numbers, that is a and b, right? So the subtraction, that is basically the difference of the two numbers, we will be going to denote it as d, that is a difference, right? So now suppose we are having obviously we will be having four options can be there to subtract the numbers. 0 0 0 may be subtracted from the 0. There may be a chance then we have to subtract a 1 from the 0, and the third option may be subtract 0 from 1, and the fourth option may be subtract 1 from the 1. So we will be discussing the different rules how to subtract the numbers, different digits. So the very first rule is that when we are going to subtract 0 from 0, then definitely the difference will be 0, that is 0 minus 0 is 0. Then just skip it for a while, I will be discussing this, then we will be later on going to that step. 1 minus 0 is, as you know, is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what about this 0 minus 1? How can we subtract a number 1 from the 0? Yes, definitely we are going to take the borrow, right, from the next bit. So when we are going to take the borrow from the next bit, then definitely when we are going to take the borrow, then this 0 will become 1 0, right? So now we have to subtract 1 from the 1 0. So as we know, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 will be equal to 1. 1 0 is what? 1 0 is 2. We can write 2 in the binary as 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 will be equal to 1. So the difference is 1, but we have to take the one borrow. So this is one borrow. Here we can make a one more column for the borrow also. So now this is the complete table of the rules of subtraction. That is 0 minus 0 is difference is 0, and we have not taken any borrow, that means borrow is 0. When we are going to subtract a 1 from 0, that means we have to take a borrow, and the difference then will be 1 and the borrow is 1. 1 minus 0 is difference is 1, we have not taken any borrow, that is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, and we have not taken any borrow to subtract these numbers, so definitely the borrow is 0. Now we will be discussing some examples. Now suppose we are having a number 1 1 1 1, and we have to subtract a number 1 0 1 0 from this. So just like the subtraction in the decimal, we will be going to start subtraction from the very right hand side. So 1 minus 0, as you can here see in the table also, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the result. You can also recheck the result. You can here see 1 1 1 1. This 1 1 1 is nothing but the 15 in decimal. 1 0 1 0 is 10. So when you are going to subtract these two numbers, then 15 minus 10 is definitely 5. So now you can check this 0 1 0 1. This is also 5. So taking one more example, suppose we are having a number 1110, and we have to subtract 0101. Then just by using this table you can subtract here, like 0 minus 1. Definitely if you are going to subtract a 1 from the 0, that means you have to take the borrow. So just take the borrow from the next digit. When you are going to take the borrow from the next digit, then this 1 will be taken here. That means this 1 will be 0 and this 0 will be 1 0 after taking the borrow, right? So now this 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. Now 0, this, because here now this is not 1, we are here considering 0 only. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Now you can recheck the answer also. This 1110, this 1110 is 14. This 0101 is 5, and 14 minus 5 is 9. You can check 1001 is also 9. One more example I am going to take is, that is 1000 I am going to take, and from this 1000 I have to subtract 0101. So just by taking the borrow we can subtract that. So here it is 0. That means to subtract this 1, we have to take borrow from the next bit. But here it is also 0. So this 0 will take the borrow from the next bit. This is also 0. So this 0 will take the borrow from the next bit. So when we are going to take the borrow from this bit, this 1 will be equal to 0. Now when we are going to take the borrow, this 0 will be equal to 1 0. Now this 0 is going to take a borrow from here. That means when this 0 will take the borrow from this 1 0, this 1 0 will be 1, and this 0 will be equal to 1 0. And now this 0 will take borrow from this. Now this 1 0 after taking the borrow will be 1, and this 0 will be equal to 1 0. Now you can simply subtract the numbers. Now 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. You can also recheck your answer. That is 1000. This is 18. Sorry, this is 8. 8 now, and 0101. This is 5. So 8 minus 5 must be equal to 3. So you can here see 0011 is also equal to 3. So this is the method how you are going to perform the binary subtraction. And for the other videos you can check the link given in the description box. And if you have still not subscribed my channel, do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.